Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application and then click here on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we're logging in here into two accounts, and now I'll show you how to log out from one from these accounts. So just to log out in Gmail app from the Gmail account, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So to do that, just click here to manage accounts on this device and select, in your case I think that will be only one Gmail account, so I'll log out from the first one. Just click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again, and that's it. We can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. So let's just go back to the application, and now we can see that in application in Gmail app we also stay only with one Gmail account, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.